Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own PNG shapes. This could be useful for webcams, callouts on DaVinci Resolve, and many other applications. So and I'm doing this in Affinity Designer, not Affinity Photo. And my advice is to make sure you tick the option for artboard. I've set it as 1920 by 1080. And let's get started. So I'm going to create the thingy. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm just going to back out of this slightly. And you got options up the side there for different shapes that you might want to use. I'm just going to go with the standard circle shape to start off with. If you press and hold shift when you're doing the circle, you'll get a nice round circle, and then release, making sure you're holding shift. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically line that up with the center by using these align buttons. That's dead center, so one way to tell, you hold control, it'll show you the dimensions away from everything. Okay, so that's a perfect shape. So next what you want to do is make sure you got the option highlighted, so you got the ellipse highlighted. Go into effects and click gradient and make sure that this goes down to 0, and then close it, and that is your PNG shape. That is transparent, and you'll be able to use that for projects. And say if you want to make loads in the same file, what you need to do is just click the artboard option on the left corner there, and then click insert artboard, and it will make another duplicate. And then you can go on to another shape. So I'm going to go with a square, and basically same again, using shift you'll get a perfect square. Release, and then basically the same again. So now you've got the settings set. You still need to go into hit the effects and make sure that it's set 0 on opacity, otherwise it will not be a PNG. Okay, so next what you need to do to export this, I am going to export these one at a time. So I want to basically go to highlight the one that you want to export, go to File, Export, and in this section here you need to go to Area and Selection Only, and as you can see that is now showing you that it's a PNG, that folder that I've already set. So I'll just basically call it ellipse 2, and then if I bring that folder back up, I'm just going into it now off screen. So shape. Okay, and there's the box, and there's the shape there. So that will appear now as a PNG shape. There's a lot more you can do with that. I hope you've enjoyed the video for today, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.